In this video, I'm going to hit you with reality on why you'll never be in the 1%. This video isn't for people who like to cry and moan about their life circumstances. This video is for people who want to accomplish amazing things, but they are self-aware enough to understand that their current actions are yielding them from doing so. The reason you'll never be in the 1% is because you listen to 99% of people. Technically, to be a 1%er in America, you have to be making $500,000 a year. To make $500,000 a year, it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and most importantly, sacrifices. You have to put a large amount of money into investing, or you have to spend a lot of time building a business. But the reason you won't be in the 1% is because your friends ask you to go party with them on Friday and Saturday. You feel obligated to buy drinks, eat out all the time, buy trendy clothes, but you refuse to put money away for your future. Okay, maybe I'm assuming. What if you are a very frugal person? What if when you do hang out with your friends, you don't spend any money? You sure do spend a lot of time though. You don't have time to start a business because you spend so much time with others who don't have that same ambition. But being with my friends makes me happy. I know that, and I'm not saying that it's bad to have friends or go out and party. I'm just saying if you prioritize those things, you probably won't be in the 1%, and that's okay. In high school, I had a lot of friends. They were amazing people, but every time I hung out with them, we weren't talking about stocks, we weren't talking about building businesses, we weren't talking about our life goals and ambitions. We weren't fantasizing about changing the world, but that's okay. People don't have to want to do those things. There's nothing wrong with those people, they're fantastic souls. But if you hang around people that don't have the same ambition as you, you'll end up in the 99%. I get it, you want to smoke, you want to drink, you want to party, you want to indulge in life. I'm not stopping you, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to be in the 1%, you have to make sacrifices and you have to change your priorities. Because I can guarantee you 99% of people do those things. You have to look at the group of people around you and ask yourself if they are striving to be the 1%. If yes, hang around them more. If no, speak to them less. I'm not telling you to cut off your friends completely, especially if you still want to be in the 99%. It's okay to not make $500,000 a year. You don't need to be considered the 1% or the 0.1%. Or the 0.01%, because frankly a lot of you guys would be happy in the 15 percentile making $120,000 a year and being able to party every weekend and dine out whenever you want. There's nothing wrong with indulging in life. Better yet, if you're making $70,000 a year but you're able to watch every Netflix show that comes out, you're able to go to parties whenever you want, you're able to hang out with the people you love on a daily basis, that might sound more appealing to you than making $500,000 a year and sacrificing your time and life for a goal. It all depends on what you want. And a lot of the times we get so stressed out because we see other people's goals on social media and think we have to strive that big. I want big things. I want a gym in every single state. I want a championship winning esports team. I want a restaurant in every state. But just because I have such high goals doesn't mean that you guys have to have high goals as well. Those things are what make me happy. I'm an introvert. I don't like parties. I don't necessarily enjoy hanging out with people. But for you, that may be what brings you happiness. The whole point of this video isn't to make you feel bad for hanging out with people or doing the things that you love, or to feel guilty about eating out or drinking or spending money. What I'm trying to illustrate is that if you want to set yourself apart, you have to be making sacrifices. Those sacrifices may not be worth it to you. Figure out what you really want in life and surround yourself with people who want those same things. If you want to live an average life like everybody else, surround yourself with average people. If you want to live the life of a 1%er, surround yourself with people who strive to be in the 1%. As long as you're happy, it doesn't matter how much money you make. To the left of me, I have more videos like this. Down below is the subscribe button. Hopefully I spark something in your mind. My name is Austyn. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'm out. Later.